All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about how to enable dark mode and other themes inside of your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, there's not really a lot of themes available right now for the Switch 2, but it has been confirmed in an update on Twitter that eventually they will have different styles of themes that will make your Switch homepage and other interfaces look really snazzy. So to change those, all we have to do is go to System Settings, and then we have to go all the way to the bottom where we see the Themes section. And right now we only have two themes. We've got Basic Light Mode, which is what the default theme is, and Basic Dark Mode. And that's how you change them, is through this little setting right here. Now, eventually they promise that we'll be able to get themes from games we purchase, custom themes from purchases with the collectible platinum coins attached to your Nintendo account, limited edition themes, all sorts of goodies that will be coming in later patches and updates as stuff gets added to the system. So until then, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.